So with satin stitch, it's a very popular stitch. It's a great filler stitch. So it's really good for filling large shapes. I'm going to do it diagonally just to make it a bit more interesting. But you're basically just going to fill the space with lots of straight stitches next to each other. The good, I'd say with a shape, if you start in the middle, it will help your stitches stay all in a straight line. So we'll do it. I'm going to do it diagonally. You can fill it however you want. You can go from here to here, here to here. I'm just going to go diagonally because that's what I feel like today. So you're just going to stitch from one side to the other of your shape. And then what I like to do is do some sort of guidelines first. So every stitch is the same distance away from each other. And it just helps you do this evenly. So I'll do some guidelines like this. And then now you can fill in between and it will help these stitches all stay in the same direction. So that's pretty much it. You're just using, again, a straight stitch to fill a big shape. And you're going from one side of the shape to the other. Just going to pause it here to refill my needle. So yeah, you're just going to go up and down, filling the shape. You can, if you want, also do a back stitch or split stitch around the edge, like the border of your shape first, and then sew your satin stitch on top. Sometimes people prefer doing that to help them. It just depends what you prefer. I prefer just to go straight in and start sewing it. You'll notice as well if you sew in different directions. So this one's going left to right. If you sew right to left, you'll probably get a different sheen on your thread when it's finished. Sometimes it can look shinier and sometimes it can look a bit more dull. But yeah, you basically just fill the shape. I'm not going to carry on anymore. You get the gist of it. You're just filling the shape up with loads of straight stitches.